Palit na ng battery. Nagpalit na ka.
Hindi umaga pa yan. Hindi ka nagpalit, no? Lagot, La Arnie may sala. Hindi nagpalit ng...
Ako.
La Arnie, ano nilagay mo sa mukha ko? Ba't malagkit?
Oatmeal. Ano? Mangga.
Yuck! Yuck, La Arnie. Yuck. Yuck! Gross. Mr. Eggs, mabasag na kayo. I'm an open toad. Where are you, Jinky? Bakit nagkakaganito ako? Mula nang iniwan mo ko. Ginising niya na? Nagbago na ang ikot ng mundo ko. Ha? Kailangan magbihis. Bakit na ko? Baka balak niya maligo or something. Ayun na. Good morning! Yun. Shopping pa kayo sa... Ano mo?
Law.
Oo, kasi yun lang naman talaga tingin niya sa akin, alalay. Wow, kung laki ng onion. Mga anak mayaman. Hindi siya onion. Akuin. Paninindigan ko na. Naalala niyo lang ako.
Okay?
Alam ko.
Ganon, ha? Mr. OA of the year.
Like you did before. Touch me once again and remember when there was no one that you wanted more. And I'll be waiting for you here inside my heart. I'm gonna love you more. And somewhere all the love that we had can be saved. Whatever it takes, we'll find a way. Believe me, I will make you see all the things that your heart needs to know. I'll be
1, 2.
waiting for you. Here inside my heart, I'm the one who wants to love you more. You will see I can give you everything you need. Let me be the one to love you more.
Yun lang ha? Ang mga teenage guy. Saka, I'll be 1, 2, wait! Hintay ka na nga.
I'll be
1, 2, wait!
I'll be
1, 2, wait! Try mo nga yung part nyo?
7.
Pero ganda ng alignment ni Christina, ha?
Oo.
Kasi pag tumata siya, kikita ko siya gumaganon siya, tama pa rin ang alignment niya, ha? Very good alignment. Ay, ano ba yan?
Ano kaya? Bukit. Teacher
Kulang yung
Nandiyan na
lyrics,
yung
eh.
diction, teacher. Nandiyan na.
Wait lang, wait.
Tapusin ko lang si Friday na all the love that we had can be saved.
two.
Waiting
Tama?
for you.
Mag-one ka pa. Isa pa. One, two. Pero yung ano, ganun pa rin yung beat.
I'll be
One, two.
waiting for you.
So, when you practice ko na,
Here inside my heart, I'm the one who wants to love.
Ah, sorry. Okay, si ano na?
okay? In your head.
Huli ka!
Kilala mo ba yung kumanta nito?
Whatever it takes. Careful doon.
Alam mo yung itsura niya?
Off ka doon.
Alam mo kung paano siya sumayaw.
Whatever it takes.
Ah, what's love
Kasi
got
may
to
part
do
na,
with it?
Si
part
Mama.
na yun.
Si Tina Turner, ayun talagang.
That you wanted more. Bago nito. Like before
siya,
that.
oh.
Ha? Lock sa'yo.